Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a little haul for you guys. I went shopping at Sephora, Walmart, and Walgreens, and I picked up some pretty cool products that I want to show you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this video. Okay, I'm gonna start with Sephora first. I only picked up a couple things from Sephora, but believe it or not, it was the most expensive out of all the stores that I went to. Surprise, surprise, right? And I only picked up 3 products. I went and did a huge makeup declutter, and I got rid of a lot of products that were expired, I didn't use anymore. So I kind of have to go and buy some more stuff to add to my collection. And one of the things that I really wanted to look for, new foundations and new concealers. So I'm on the hunt to find the best foundation and best concealer. So when I went to Sephora, I went over to Huda Beauty and I picked up the Faux Filter foundation. Why was that so hard for me? I am wearing it right now, and I have to say, so far, I really like this foundation. I got it in the shade Angel Food, and I feel like this is my perfect shade. Usually I go for shades that are darker, but I've now realized that I need to go lighter because I'm not as dark as I think I am. The next thing that I got is from Huda Beauty again, and I got the Faux Filter concealer. So I wanted the foundation and concealer. I heard a lot of good things about the foundation, so I thought if the foundation is good, then the concealer has to be good too. I am wearing it today underneath my eyes. I do like it. It is in the shade Royal Icing. It's nice. I'm gonna have to play with them a little bit more to make sure that I like them. The last thing that I got from Sephora is from Benefit, and I just picked up one of these Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I used it today and I like it. It's really nice. I do feel like there is a lot of dupes out there that are a lot more affordable for that price. So that is everything that I picked up at Sephora. And then I went to Walmart and I picked some things up there. So as you guys know, I am going in for surgery in like 6 days now. So I have been trying to buy things to prepare myself for after surgery. So when I saw this, I thought I needed to have it. It is just an electric shaver. My sister Candy, she used to use electric shavers all the time while growing up. She loved them. And I don't know why she ever stopped using them, but I know when we were kids, she used them all the time. So I picked this one up. It's from the brand Palm Perfect, and it says that it is easy and painless hair removal. So I'm gonna have to try this and see if I like it. So I have to shave like every day, if not every day, every other day. My legs get super hairy, and I don't like to go a couple days without shaving them. So after surgery, I was thinking, do I really want to spend the time in the shower, bending over, trying to shave my legs? Maybe an electric shaver will do the job, and then I don't have to have the risk of me falling in the shower. So we're gonna try it out. We'll see. It might be the best thing in the world, or it might be the worst. I also picked up some more shavers. I just get the ones from Equate. This is a Walmart brand. I don't spend a lot of money on shavers anymore because they all work the same for me. I have tried really expensive shavers, and I've tried these shavers, which are really affordable, and they all pretty much do the same thing. The only thing that I really do like with my shavers is I like it when they have at least 3 blades on it. If they only have 1 blade, I don't like it as much, but I feel like all the 3 bladed shavers, they're pretty much all the same. I don't really see a difference. I like it from that brand because it's affordable. The next thing that I got is this little baby native deodorant. So I am changing my whole lifestyle. It is going to be a huge change happening in this family. Some of the family members are on board, others it's gonna take them a little bit longer. But with that being said, I want to change my deodorant. I want to stop using the kind that I am using, and I want to find something different. And I saw that Native had like these tiny little ones over in their travel section, so I thought, okay, I'll pick it up, I'll try it, and we'll see. Hopefully it works because I do like the scent. Currently, I use the Secret Clinical Strength deodorant, but like I said, life changes. I want to stop using that brand, so I'm hoping that this one will work for me. I will definitely keep you guys updated. The next thing that I have here is from Lumify, and it is their eye drops. I have been wanting these eye drops forever, you guys, and I finally found them at Walmart, so I picked a pack up so I could try them. Within a minute of applying this to your eyes are going to be very bright white. It's going to take away all the redness. People swear by them. They love them. And it says on the packaging that it lasts up to 8 hours. So I'm going to have to try that out. I don't want to try it right now because I have a lot of makeup on and I'm not that good with eye drops. So I'll probably try it at night or in the morning or something. But yeah, I'm excited about that. The last thing that I picked up from Walmart is some press-on nails. Now, I thought these nails were little Easter eggs, and I was super excited. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wear these for Easter. They're not Easter eggs, they're flowers, so I don't know what the heck I was thinking. They are very cute, and they are definitely spring nails, so I will be wearing these for Easter. I was thinking about getting my nails professionally done, but then I was like, you know what? Do I really want to? Or do I just want to do some press-ons? Because press-on nails, I think that they're really nice and they look real, and they're way less than going to the salon. And if you don't like them, you can easily remove them. They don't ruin your nails. There's just so many benefits to press-on nails instead of going to the salon. Okay, then last but not least, I went to Walgreens. My husband had to pick up a prescription there, so I ran in because I wanted to go and check and see if they had this one thing. And let me tell you, everything that I was looking for, Walgreens had. So, go Walgreens. The first thing is the Falscara lashes from Kiss. I have used these before, but I have recently been seeing all over TikTok of people using these and them lasting 7 days. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna try it. Because it's supposed to give you like a lash extension look, and I've been wanting lash extensions for a while, you guys, but I just don't want to ruin my eyelashes. I really just don't want to ruin them. Yeah, so I'm going to try these out. We're gonna see, do they actually last 7 days, or how long do they last? I am using the press-on ones right now from the same brand, and I have to say I love how easy it is to apply, and I love the way that they look, but they definitely don't last no 3 days. I don't know how people are saying that they last 3 days. With one pack, you're supposed to be able to get 2 to 3 full applications. I used all of them. They didn't want to stick, and they were giving me problems. I didn't have any mascara on. I didn't put any serums on my lashes, nothing like that. So I'm kind of clueless of why they weren't sticking as good as I thought that they were going to. They are holding up right now, but I feel like at any point in the inner corner one is going to just pop off, and then the outer corner one is going to pop off. I am excited about this one because this one, you have to apply the bond to your lashes and then you put the lashes on. So I feel like that is a lot better of a hold than the ones that you get when they're just the press-ons. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it and see. I've also seen people take regular lashes and cut them up and use the glue from the Falscara kit, And I'm like, oh, we gotta try that. So when I was at Walgreens, you guys, guess what I found? I found the Kiss MLBB lashes. I've seen my favorite people over on TikTok talk about this style of lashes, and I have been wanting to order it off of Amazon for so long, and I didn't do it. But I go into Walgreens, I see them, and I grab, and we're gonna try them out. The last thing that I picked up from Walgreens, I got the e.l.f., what is this? Sun Touchable sunscreen. I have seen some people talk about this, and I'm like, do we need it? Do we need it? And I'm like, yes. So I went and got the what is it called? The Sun Goop 40 SPF sunscreen. And like I told you guys in that haul, I think it's the wrong one. I don't think that is the one that I want because it's matte. So I don't want the matte one. I wanted the glowy, dewy sunscreen one. So I thought instead of going and picking it up from Sun Goop, let's just try out the e.l.f. one. And this is big. This is big. I mean, I'm assuming this must be like the travel size, but look at that. And I think the e.l.f. one was like $14. 14, something like that. So this is SPF 30. Ooh, and it has color to it. Are you kidding me? I don't think it really has a scent. Ooh. I'm gonna love it. And this is what I wanted. So when I went and got the Super Goop matte one, I didn't mean to get the matte. I wanted the other kind. But yeah, the matte one, it just leaves it very matte. But this one, it just leaves your skin very glowy, and that's what I really want. So I'm super excited to try this one out from e.l.f. If you find it, grab it because I feel like it's gonna sell out very fast. But yeah, that is everything that I got in this haul. I just wanted to show you guys because I think I got some really cool products and I'm excited. I'm also trying to film enough videos so then when I go in for surgery, I still have videos getting uploaded and I'm not falling behind because we don't want to fall behind. I'm hoping that 2023 I can actually hold up to my agreement with myself with how many videos I want to upload every week. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!